Do you want food, Shaman? Let's get you some food, yeah. We'll go around the other way. Shaman. Come on, Sham. I'll give you food. This is not for you. Let's give Shaman. Wait, Shaman. Be careful. Okay. Shaman time. Hey, this is not for you. Oh my God. That was their first nose sniff, nose to nose, and I missed it. I didn't have the camera in my hands. Can you guys see that again for the camera? Shaman, do you want this food? Look, there's dry food here. Shaman, you want this food or you want wet food? Oh, the moment is over. Okay, everybody went away.